Welcome. Today I'm going to show you the updated way to save a pin on Pinterest to your board. Whether you're new to Pinterest or just want to make sure you're using the latest method, this quick guide will help you organize your favorite ideas with ease. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap your profile picture again to access more options, then select the Home Feed Tuner. This feature helps you customize what you see on your feed, but it's also the gateway to managing your pins. Next, navigate to the Pins tab. Here, you'll find all the pins you've interacted with or saved before. To save a new pin, find the one you want to keep and long press on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap Save. This is where you decide where your pin will live. You can either select an existing board or create a new one, if you want to organize your pins by a new category or theme. Naming your board thoughtfully will make it easier to find your pins later. Once you've chosen or created your board, the pin will be saved there instantly. It's that simple. Now, whenever you want to revisit that idea, recipe, or inspiration, just open your board, and it will be waiting for you. Saving pins this way keeps your Pinterest profile neat and tailored to your interests. Plus, using the Home Feed Tuner helps Pinterest understand your preferences better, showing you content that truly matters to you. So, next time you find a pin you love, remember these steps. Open your profile, tap your picture, go to Home Feed Tuner, long press the pin, tap Save, and pick your board. With this updated method, organizing your Pinterest has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!